So this is an unboxing of the Apple TV 4. Let's go ahead and get into it. Box here. So right on top, really nice, kind of clean. This is the Apple TV itself here. Put that over there to the side. And so this is the Siri Remote. Notice how small. This is very skinny. Has a menu button. Looks to be the TV button, microphone button, a play button, an up and a down arrow there. Go ahead and put that over here. There is the little Let's Get Started guide. The USB lightning cable here. Over on this side is going to be your power cord. There. I think that may be just about everything that's inside the box there. Alright, as always, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.